How to resolve I can't access Facebook Marketplace issue. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix if you are not able to access Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing you want to do here is open up your Facebook obviously and make sure to log into your account. Once you log in, you could just go ahead and tap on the Marketplace icon if you see it at the top of your screen. But if you don't see the Marketplace icon, then it might be hidden on your menu feature. So you could just go ahead and find your settings by going over to the top left of your screen, scroll down and find settings and privacy, and then go to settings. Once you open up your settings menu, all you have to do is find the option for tabs. So all of those tabs on the top of your screen, you just have to find it. Scroll down under preferences, you'll find tab bar. Tap on tab and then simply go to customize the bar. Now you're able to handpick the icons or the sections that you want to show on your tab. And currently I've pinned the Facebook Marketplace. That's why I'm able to see it. If I just keep it on auto, it might be hidden. And if you have set this to hidden, you might want to pin this. Let's say if you use Marketplace very often. In that case, you can just pin it. And then once you pin the Marketplace, you could go back and you can easily find it on top right over here. If you don't find it, you could go to search bar and then simply search for Marketplace. And then you should find Facebook Marketplace option right over here as well. That's basically it guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.